Good afternoon, Class 5. This is your third history lesson of the week, and it's a really interesting one because we've got another range of images to look at. So we're going to make reasoned judgments about the importance of the factors that contributed to Britain winning the Battle of Britain in 1940. So we're going to have a look at images and discuss what they say about the Royal Air Force winning the battle. So on 10th of July 1940, Hitler ordered the Luftwaffe to begin the Battle of Britain. Its objective was to gain complete control of the air as quickly as possible so that the invasion could commence. Hermann Göring, the Reich Marshal, Commander-in-Chief, was convinced that the German Air Force would succeed in 3 days. In fact, the battle was to last 12 weeks and would end in victory for the Royal Air Force and Hitler abandoning his plans for an invasion of Britain. A total of 1,733 aircraft and 915 RAF fighters were shot down. The battle cost the lives of 446 Royal Air Force and Fleet Air Army, the Navy, fighter pilots, together with 3,089 German soldiers and bomber crews. So all of the sources that you're going to look at today, they all say something about why the Royal Air Force won the Battle of Britain. Okay, and what I would like you to do after each image, I want you to pause the video, write some of your ideas on your sheet that you've got in your pack, and then I'll discuss some of them with you. So if we have a look at the first one, the British Anti-Aircraft Artillery. Okay, so the anti-aircraft, against the aircraft. So if you pause the video, write some ideas down and then we'll discuss it together. So what do you think this says about Britain winning? So this device that they've made will easily shoot down any of the aircraft that come near them. There's lots of people manning it. There's lots of people around. So Britain were prepared. They had these weapons to fight against the Germans. They were very, very prepared. Okay, here we've got two members of the British Royal Observer Corps. Okay, so you can see one's got his binoculars, he's looking out, and then one looks like he's communicating with somebody else. And they would have had many of these dotted around the coast to be looking out for when the Germans were coming. So again, they're prepared, they've got people watching to see when the Germans are coming so that they could let the other people know. Okay, so they were very, very prepared. Okay, this image shows plotters marking the positions of the incoming German aircraft. You can see somebody's on the phone, he's probably transferring information across. People are plotting where the German aircrafts are coming in. So there's lots of people sort of behind the scenes that you maybe didn't realise were also contributing to help Britain win. And your last image, I think, let's have a look, yeah, your last image is a British factory making RAF Spitfire and Hurricane fighters. So they would be making new planes every day. This factory was open 24 hours a day and they were constantly making new planes, okay, that the British could use if any of theirs were shot down or any broke. There were always more there ready for them to use. So all of the images that we just looked at all played a part in Britain winning the Battle of Britain. Okay, so hopefully you've completed your sheet.